Valvoline full synthetic high mileage 10W-30 stands out for older engines because it is engineered to slow wear and keep high mileage vehicles running smoothly for many more miles. Its full synthetic base and detergent package do an excellent job of keeping internal parts clean, cutting down on sludge and varnish that can choke performance over time. The seal conditioners in this formula are particularly helpful for aging engines, often reducing small leaks and oil consumption that show up as spots on the driveway. It handles heat very well, giving reliable protection during long highway drives, heavy traffic, or hot weather that can punish thinner conventional oils. Cold starts feel confident with this oil, as it flows quickly at low temperatures while still maintaining a stable film when the engine is fully warmed up. For drivers of higher mileage cars and trucks who want to extend engine life without switching to a thicker grade, this 10W-30 blend offers a strong balance of protection, cleanliness, and efficiency.